Looking for a quick and cheesy snack? Let's make tortilla garlic bread in just a few minutes using your air fryer. First, grab some softened butter. This is the base of all that delicious flavor. Mix in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning and a pinch of garlic powder. Stir it well until it's fully combined. This buttery mix is where the magic happens. Take a tortilla and spread the butter mixture evenly on one side. Be generous, this will make sure every bite is full of flavor. If you like my videos, just give me a thumbs up and let me know in comments from which country you're watching my video. Now, it's time for cheese. Sprinkle on your favorite shredded cheese, go crazy, mozzarella, cheddar, or whatever you've got in the fridge. Add another layer of tortilla on top layer, repeat the same process. Carefully place your masterpiece in the air fryer. Set it to 375 degrees and cook for 8 minutes. Resist the urge to peek, even if your kitchen starts smelling like heaven. Just trust the process. When the timer dings, you're about to witness greatness. Pull it out, let it cool for a second, if you can wait, and slice it up like a pizza. Warning, cheese stretches ahead. And there you have it. Crispy, garlicky, cheesy perfection in minutes. Pro tip, make extra because your first one will mysteriously disappear before anyone else gets a chance. You hit that subscribe button and I keep feeding you delicious recipes.